Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making throw pillows. Yeah, these are just from the laundry. We have 5 yards there, valued at 5,500 naira, equivalent to $13.22. And here are our inner covers, which we got for free. Thank God we have them at home. And yeah, this is fiber, which is our feeling because we love the luxury feel of it. You can use foam also. We got 3 bags of this, which goes for 7,500 naira, equivalent to $18.02. And these are the remaining things. This particular thing, I don't know if I would use it, but maybe, and that is why it is here. Though we are using the machine, but we would do some hand sewing, and that is why you see this needle here and the thread and all. This is our measuring tape. And since I don't know how to sew with the machine, I brought in someone to do it for us. He's actually a professional at this. This is his job, so he would guide us through. By the way, if you're new here on this channel, we make videos on home decor, beadworks, and lots more. So do make sure you subscribe to this channel, turn on the all notification button so that you do not miss any of our videos in the future, and also like this video please, so that YouTube would show it to much more people. Thank you. All right, as you can see, I just gave him a pillow. I want him to make a bigger one. So he measured that one, and here is he's trying to make a bigger one. For that red pillow I gave to him, it measures 20 by 14. For the one we are making here now, he would make it 23 by 17, meaning the longer side would be 23 and the shorter side would be 17 inches. It is that when it has been folded already. So when you are measuring it, you measure 24 so that the fourth inch will be inside, would be folded and sewn onto. We got 4 big pillows out of this 2 yards material. That's so nice. I'm happy about it. And this material is slippery. You can see how he is struggling with it, but it's super soft. I love it so much, and it's equally beautiful. Alright guys, before you begin to cut out the pillows, make sure you trim the edges so that your pillows will come out neat and will all be the same size. Still on this guys, make sure you check the whole edges everywhere. Do not leave any stone unturned, so that you make sure everything is super perfect and beautiful. Using this material, we want to make small pillows, and I wonder how many pillows will come out of this, because when I got it I just guessed 2 pillows, and when he was counting he told me we are getting 4 small pillows, and oh my god, I was just so blown away. I'm so happy about it. And this is the small pillow we are using to measure. We want to make the exact size. Kana YouTube?
Wani?
Eh.
Ni ban da wayar da nake YouTube yanzu, ba ni da ƙaramin waya garin.
Okay. Zan sa bidiyon a YouTube.
Ko?
In kai waya babba zan zo in tura maka.
Shi kenan.
Ta-da! We now have our pillows. See, the material is my absolute favorite. See, even the back is just so beautiful. It is measured at 14 by 18 inches. That is the small pillows we make. And he is cross-checking to make sure it's right. Yes, this is what professionals do. Alright, still on stool. Don't forget to make sure you cut out the edges. Right. Yeah, so now here we want to begin cutting out the inner covers, and it is that the inner cover should be 1 inch bigger than the outer cover so that when you finally fill it up, it would be fluffy. All right, I was thinking they will cut it out together whilst even cutting out the outer cover, but I was wrong. And I also thought the inner one would be smaller, but I was also wrong. That is why no matter how simple something seems, just as this throw pillow is like everybody can make it, but you see, there is a system to it. So make sure you research well before making anything, or at least you involve those that are specialized in it so that everything will be nice. Good job! All inner and outer covers cut out, and now to the most interesting part. The sewing is actually beautiful. I love seeing the process. Or is it because I don't know how to sew? Or whatever. If you don't know how to sew just like me, comment down below. Let's form an amateur group. And if you know how to sew, oh my god, I salute you guys. So comment down below too. Let's become friends. Probably we can reach your level one day. And yeah, guys, see how it is moving. This place now, he's leaving out the part we would fill in. So notice how he did it now. He didn't like go and tie it up before bringing it out. And this place, see, you can't even notice where the stitch is. Oh god, I love this material so much. All right, see them hanging. We just cut it out with scissors. 1, 2, 3, and all. After sewing to the filling, these are our 3 bags of fiber. And yes, these are the pillowcases we got. Here are the big ones. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that's so nice. And we got the small ones also. The small ones we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's so nice. Superb. In all, we got 14 pillows. That's nice. Here is the opening to put in our pillow insert. It's very small, but in case you need an opening, you need a bigger opening, you can just open more. And these are our inner covers, sewn same size as the sewn a bit bigger than the outer covers, and it has also been opened in the end of it, and it's a strong good material actually. So here is our fiber. It looks like cloud. It's just so beautiful. We would begin to fill them in the inner covers, and here is how we do it. The process is actually very nice, is because the fiber is very soft, fluffy. Oh my god, I wish you can touch it just as I am doing now. And that is the essence of this video, to inspire you to also do it at home yourself. Yes, have fun with it, and to educate you, that is to teach you, to make you see how it is done. And also, if I can do it, I mean, come on, you can do even better. Besides that, you cut down costs like a whole lot. We have 14 pillows, 6 big pillows, and 8 small ones. How much do you think it would cost in the market? And of course, our next point is to be able to customize whatever we want. If I just go randomly to the market, probably I wouldn't have the exact materials I have got, but now I am able to customize it to the shape I want, to the size I want, to the color and texture of material that I want, and to be sewn when I want it. Gosh, this is just so nice to actually be able to make something on your own, and the process is fun. So make sure you do it at home. And yeah, see me struggling with this. We've gone a long way. See, 2 sacks gone, one waiting, and we have about 6 pillows left. I hope it would be enough to fill them up. Yeah, but we've done a great job. See, our ceiling is just stapled, and it's very easy to come off. See, I love the opening, and see our cloud inside. Yeah. All right. I want you to see the quantity in one sack. So all this is from one sack. That's the last one. See, it's just fluffy. I just wish I can just jump around inside for all. See, 3 sacks gone, and we have 14 pillows. Now you know that 3 bags of fiber would give you 14 pillows. Super nice. All right, this I would make a special video showing you how I achieved this invisible stitch. So after the filling, this is what we did. All right, and now to the last process, to the last step of getting this inner fluffed pillow into the outer cover. All right, I would just begin to put it right in here through this place, but if it's unable to get in easily, I would tear it a bit more so that it would fit in nicely. And hey guys, it's a struggle of pressure here. The pillow is already pumped up, so it's kind of needs some kind of pressure to go inside, and it wasted my time actually. It took a lot of my time. See me, since when? Do you know this is like 30 hours later? And I would do this for 14 pillows. Oh god, I deserve something nice. Like what? Who knows? Just something nice. All right. And even for this now, I had to make a larger opening, and we're just going to sew as we did with the invisible stitch. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell, and leave us a comment.